Kia ora, I'm Bronwyn Seward. Welcome to your first login at abclearning.co.nz. Well, this might not be your first login, but you'll probably receive this, or your parents will receive this in the video pretty close to the start of learning with me. So we're going to learn today how to log into the website and find your learning. So I'm using a guest browser in Chrome. You can just open a new browser or tab in Chrome and use that for yourself. The first thing in the URL address bar at the top of your Chrome is to type in the web address where we are wanting to go. The web address for this site is www.abclearning.co.nz. Before you hit return, just double check your spelling. If you don't spell the address right, it won't take you to where you want to go. Once you're sure, click return. And it should take you to a site that looks exactly like this, because this is the front page of ABC Learning. First thing you need to do is sign in. So click sign in up the top right. That will take you to our welcome page. Here you need to type in your Gmail, so the supervised Gmail that you either already had or your parent has set up for you. I'm going to use my test student, Sadie, with her test email. Sadie's actually my cat's name, but she's also my test student in here. So Sadie at abclearning.co.nz, you'll have your own, so yours might be Sadie at gmail.co.nz. And then your password. Now I've sent your password to your parents, so your password should be a colour, an animal, and a 2-digit number. If you're on your own home computer or your own Chromebook, you can click Remember Me. If you're on a shared device, then you might not want it to remember your password. You don't want someone else or a sibling or someone else at school logging in as you. So uncheck that if you're on a public computer. Once you're happy, click Sign In. Once you've signed in, it will take you straight to your dashboard. These are the courses that I have selected for you or your parents have selected for you. Normally, everybody starts with a Frankie's Facts course first. This is Frankie, who's my puppy, and she loves maths, of course, like we all do, and so she is in charge of the Frankie's Facts division of our mission control. So the first thing you want to do is I will click Resume Course. Yours will have 0% in the middle here, and it won't say Resume, it might say Start or Let's Begin, something like that, but just click this box here. And that would take you to your learning mission, Frankie's Facts Level 3 or whatever you've got. Now, if your next lesson is a video lesson, it will just autoplay like that one did then. That's okay. The good place to start with your coach is Let's Get Organised, hints and tips for you and your coach. So start up the top, and this one here is explaining to you how to get your quizzes account, which is where lots of our lessons are hosted, and your ABC Learning account syncing so that your activities actually show up in here. Okay, so once you've done that, you can click Continue, and it will take you to the next one. This one tells you how to complete a Let's Practice with your coach, and the next one tells you how to complete Let's Practice by yourself. It's really important that you watch all these videos or clips, as there are lots of different types of activities and they all have different expectations. Once you've met the expectation of the activity, you'll be able to click Complete and Continue. That then sends a message through to our class feed, and you get a point. If you've met the requirements, that is. If I get the message through to the class feed and I check and you haven't met the requirements, then you lose 2 points. So do the math. You gain 1 point for completing it, but if you haven't actually completed it, you lose 2 points. So that's not good maths. Make sure you watch the videos and understand what to do to gain those points. They're really important for our leaderboard, which I'll show you in the next video that comes in your emails. In the meantime, work through these videos with your coach and then start your actual learning down here. As you go, you can see that you turn things with little green ticks. These are all completed and continued. Good luck. Have fun. Remember, I'm always here if you need help, and so is Frankie and Sadie. Enjoy yourself. We can't wait to see you on the feed.